Hello and welcome to a new section. In this section, we are going to learn assembly language programming, and this section will be catering especially for reversers, and you learn all you need to know to write assembly code. What is assembly? Assembly is low-level programming language used to write programs. It uses instructions like move, jump, jump 0, jump not 0, compare, test, and many more. You can directly manipulate memory and registers to perform tasks. Why learn assembly? Firstly, you can better understand disassembled code. For example, if you use a disassembler and debugger like x64dbg, you will be better able to understand what is happening when you see instructions from the disassembled code. Secondly, you will also be able to write scratchpad programs to analyze portions of the disassembled code. For example, if you see a few lines in the debugger like x64dbg which you don't understand, you could copy out those lines into another separate program, assemble it and see what it is trying to do. Thirdly, to create keygens. So keygens, as you have seen in previous lessons, are serial key generators. So this is one of the main reasons why we are learning assembly programming. Now, what software to use to write assembly code? There is a good assembler known as FASM, also known as Flat Assembler, by Thomas Grista. And the reason why I choose this over others is because first, it is easy to install and even more easy to use. And it is especially good for general purpose assembly programming and easier to learn for newbies, for people who have no background in assembly programming. So that is all that I want to say in this introductory to this new section. In the next section onwards, I will show you how to get started with assembly programming. Thank you for watching. See you then.